Okay guys, today I will teach you how to use a crepe bandage, for example, isolation, ankle strain, or wounds on feet. Look at him. Oh no, he just fell down. So, for the first step, you must take the crepe bandage and make a base by wrapping around the feet by 2 wraps, like that. After that, you make a base on the ankle for 1 wrap only. And for the step 3, wrap the back of the ankle and below the feet with a figure of 8 style wrapping. Just like that. You're wrapping it until the bandage is at the end. So finally, for step 4, wrap the bandage around the ankle to tidy it up and pin with the safety pin. And this is the final result.
To bandage somebody's hand, use a roller bandage. Place the bandage on the inside of the wrist, just below the thumb. Wrap the bandage straight around the wrist twice. Then, wrap the bandage from the inside of their wrist diagonally across the back of their hand up to the nail of their little finger, straight across underneath the fingers, and diagonally back across the back of their hand to the outside of their wrist. Pass the bandage under their wrist and repeat, diagonal over the back of the hand, across the fingers, and back again. Keep going the same way, bandaging diagonally across the hand like a figure of 8. But each time, only cover about 2/3 of the previous layer. Each new layer should be covering 1/3 of new skin. Make sure you leave the tips of their fingers peeking through. Once you've covered the whole of the hand, wrap the bandage straight around the wrist a couple of times and secure with a pin or tape.